Next up in our balance progression is the tandem walk. So we're introducing now a dynamic balance challenge with movement, okay? So we're gonna take on that tandem stance, but instead of static, we're gonna now walk. So we're going heel toe, almost like we're walking a tightrope. To begin with this exercise, I suggest bringing your arms out. This will enhance a little bit of your stability. And then as you progress, the hands can come closer in, so that you now can really challenge yourself from a stability standpoint. Now, a lot of people are gonna wanna try to rush through this, right? Don't do that, because that's a cheat. You're using momentum, compensating for instability. So slower the better with this one. Really pick up and place the foot. Slower the better. It's gonna really challenge the stability demands of your legs. Also, don't be looking down. You can look down to start, but that's compensating with your visual input. We want to try to do this with our eyes up so that we're really emphasizing our joint receptors here and then also our vestibular system as well. So try to keep your eyes up here.